What's up guys? Rainy and cold day here in Quebec. Today I'm gonna install my new wheels and tires. I've got a few sets in my office. You can see it starts to be a warehouse for RTX wheels. These are our spec here. These are vapor wheels, and these are the ones gonna go on my Yukon Denali. As you can see, these are off-road wheels, so I'm going for an off-road look and not the typical 22s, 24s big wheels. So let's hit the road and install these new wheels and tires.
We are on our way to install our new tires and wheels.
Yes, we're going at Gordons Tires. They're a retailer for Goodyear tires. Really nice shop in Montreal. They have brand new equipment, qualified, staff and all that. For me, it's really important to have qualified staff. I had some bad experience back in the days. Had a few wheels has been scratched or not installed the right way, or typical rookie mistake in a wheel and tire shop. So that's why I'm going a little bit further from my home to install my tire to make sure they're doing a good job.
Don't you play around with me tonight? If we go hit it, baby, don't do it tonight.
So for my Yukon Denali, I choose the Goodyear Track, really aggressive off-road tire, good for winter time, all season, especially here in Canada. It's gonna be really aggressive on the Denali. I wanted to have that off-road look with all black wheels. These are 33 inches Track, not 35 like the ones I used to have on my Sierra T4. They're quite too big for this one, and I don't want to mess around with the suspension and trimming and all that, so I keep the small 33s. First wheel is installed. It looks pretty great. It looks aggressive. All black, aggressive tires. It looks more off-road, less, luxury. That's really what I wanted. So far, it looks good. right, tires and wheels are installed. I'm pretty glad. It looks awesome. You know, I'm getting my black on black look back, the blackout look. I love these tires, you know, Track good tires, especially for here in Canada, because you know, I'm using these tires all year round, and they're certified also to be used during winter. And if you don't know, here in Quebec we have a law, you need the winter tires to be legal to be on the streets, I could say, and these Duratracks have the certification, can be used during the winter time. So you know, these are 33 inches, not too big. You know, I didn't want to have issues like I had with my Sierra 84. All my Sierra 84, I used to have 35 inches tires, and I had to cut you know, a little bit inside of the fenders and all that. I didn't want to mess around with my Yukon, especially it's a, you know, magnetic suspension. It's more a luxury truck also. It's not a full off-road truck like the Sierra 84. So I'm pretty glad of my choice. Yes, it's not the big look like the 35. I don't want to mess around with the suspension, lifted and all that, and also mess around with my speedo. So that's why I went, you know, conventional with only 33 inches Duratrack. These have, you know, good grip for off-roading. They don't make a lot of noise. Been like 2 or 3 times I have like a set of Duratrack. I'm pretty satisfied with these tires, so that's why I went back with the Goodyear for my Yukon. So I'm getting back to the black on black look. It's not the last modification of my truck. Several other modifications are already planned, so stay tuned on the channel if you want to see more modification. I'm gonna do on my Yukon. See you next time.